Oh, yeah. What up, brother? Major Melon in the building. What's happening? William Son, what's happening? SUA. On all points, this DEFCON. Kevlar in Teflon. War on drugs, communities getting stepped on. Crimes getting wrecked on. Invisible weapons, money, dope, TV, radio, and religion. Now it's a conscious decision to reclaim your position. The ego we speaking, I suggest you listen. What it do? Check John 8:32. You wanna get free, baby? Unlock your first eye, rise above it. As a caveman, keep whipping city and swag to get rid of your. They got a comprehensive plan and it's implemented. Practice and represent it. Spread across the world and keep us stepping in it. We the children of production, one with the most high. Not the fake guy, promoting the vicious lie. Run, you can try, coward, you can't hide. Words of rock in the scatter town, who gon' crack? The hot damn is on, about to head home. Planning next on the rapper, come on, let's get going, baby. Holla at me. What's up, black people? Yeah, the mothership. When I say black people unite, y'all say let's all get down, right? Let's go. The black people unite.
Let's all get down.
World people unite.
Let's all get down.
Love people unite.
Let's all get down.
Let's listen. This ain't that young boy swag, it's that grown man killer. You got cold liquor trying to rumble with Godzilla. I got a little something for you hollow ass niggas. The ones that look like us, but they really ain't with us. Ain't nothing new. The old house nigga crew. Brad was just a child, they know how the devil do. It's a motherfucking shame. Deception is lame. You sick lame just to blow in the game. Hey yo, you at war. You want to be an industry. On all fours, giving up the back door. That's just my observation, ain't judging jack. You gon' answer for your deeds, just you, and that's it. But to lay down with the beast for real, yo, that's sick. Hogan Savage bang on the world rally. Hey, into my great transition, his shield is fear. To crush the false evidence, appearing real, and shed light on the matter like roses the last scatter. Serve truth on the platter, food for mental battle. The conflict is long, front line I stay. Positivity and love of the wise, you in the way. Holla at me. I got your ticket, yeah, you wanna ride. We ride, y'all. What's up, Richmond? Yeah. Everybody can hear my voice. Everybody can hear my voice. The black people unite. World people unite. Love people unite. You got that love? Listen, hey, my people, come on, let's get it together. No matter the weather, we gon' handle the pressure. Life is peaks and valleys, triumphs and defeat. The good, the bad, the bitter, and the sweet. Focus on the positive, control the negative problems and pitfalls. Sometimes they make it hard to live. In BET, I mean BST, should be ashamed of the garbage they feed a KID, and it's supposed to be the example of our culture. It seems to me we throwing our babies to the wolves, self-defeating behavior. Some people they call it flavor. New millennial slave, the world stage display. But hey, I know they pay you, but damn, look how they play you. Lay back in they layer without the slightest of care. And yo, we out here, and we ain't expecting our queens to the family structure that go by any means. Edify my sacred sisters, watch the power grow. Grab more of your water through you to God's flow. Recognize, trick knowledge yourself. You better know. Right now it's boarding time. Hotel, I gotta go, y'all. Holla at me. Now, brothers and sisters, coming to the stage, give me an ear for my brother, Dr. Neil N. Jackson.
Please, let's give it up for Brother J.D. Hayes. Brothers and sisters, I need some help. What's up, little brother? Can you come here for a minute? I need help. This is my backup right here. Come here, little man. What's your name, brother? Brother Aaron? Just stay in with me, brother Aaron. Brothers and sisters, we are the spiritually united African Nation House of Worship. We are a unified body. You can call yourself Black, African, Hebrew, Israelite, Moor, whatever name you want. I want you to look around the enemy and don't make no distinctions. reputation when he look at you. So why are we fighting about names when we're one people? We need to wake up, because this is our future right here. We're not doing anything for our children. We're not preparing for tomorrow. We're not building an economy. We're not doing anything but giving them the foolishness we are leaving behind. This is my strength, because this is my future. If this is your future, don't make this a one-day event. Take this to your community and your home, and let's do this every day, every hour, and every moment. Let's give them a heritage, because the scripture says we are supposed to leave them a heritage, not just for him, but for his children and his children's children.
That's right. That's right, brother.
I stay angry. I don't stay angry at white folks. I stay angry at us, because we're not doing, black people, African, Moors, Hebrew Israelite, or whatever name you want to call yourself, we are not doing what we're supposed to be doing, and we ought to be unifying as one body, one people, one race, like everybody else, and building an economical stronghold.
That's right, brother. That's right.
I'm an old school brother, and I used this illustration when I was down in Norfolk. I want to use it again. Hold that, brother. Go back with me in 1979, and if you weren't around, Google it. Let's turn to a movie called The Warriors. Who remember The Warriors? Powerful movie. It's a classic, man. In the movie, it opened up with all the gangs heading up to upper state New York or the Bronx. One gang came from Long Island, the Warriors, but it was the meeting of all the gangs by the largest gang in New York, ran by a brother named Cyrus. And Cyrus brought all the gangs together and said, look around you. He numbered the gangs, and he said, we outnumber the police. Let's put down our differences and make a truce. We actually have the power of New York.
That's right.
I want you to look around you, Richmond. Look around you, Moors, Hebrew Israelites, black people, African people, and other names you call yourself, Christian, Muslim, Hebrew, Jew, whatever. We are the number in the street.
That's right. That's right.
They control us because we're too busy fighting one another, hating one another, jealous of one another. And while we're doing this ignorance, we are neglecting the most important thing in our life, and that is our children. So we have to get it together. We have to pull our strength. If you don't love your children, then you hate everybody, including yourself. Don't come to me about a God. Don't come to me about a religion, your consciousness, nor your culture.
Come on, brother. Come on.
Because if you can't unify me with me as a man for the sake of our children, I don't want to talk to you, male or female. Because I don't practice self-hate. I practice love of self. Teach our children to look for the God within, that they may walk with the God without. And if you teach them about the God within, you don't have to worry about them fighting themselves in school, killing themselves on the street, or selling drugs to one another. They will know the righteous precepts.
That's right, brother.
This is what we have to do. This is our movement for the day. This is the unity we're talking about. So don't come out here just to get a free meal if you're not feeding the mind of our young ones.
That's right, brother.
Do y'all understand? I am Brother Ahmed. Government name Dr. Neil N. Jackson, pastor of the Spiritual United African Nation House of Worship, is for tomorrow. The greatest jewel in my life is the black jewel. That's right. Listen to the young man I'm working for. Is he my child? Not biologically. Is he my child? Yes, he is. Because it takes a village to raise a child. So when I see this young brother, Brother Aaron, all right, Brother Aaron, he know he got protection from me. I'm his big brother. Don't mess with him, mess with me. I say, right on, black power.
Black power.
Give Brother Aaron a hand. That's right. Do it for the children. Thank you, my man. Oh, Brother Aaron. They say a man is worthy of his hire. That's what the scripture says. See, we need to know how to put back in each other's pocket, right? That's how you build an economy. Don't talk about black business if you don't support black business. I took this young brother's time. I got to put something in his pocket.
I am a black business. Well then, we're giving help. I'm in house.
Give it up once again for my pastor, my leader, my brother, Dr. Neil Ian Jackson. So what he spoke was truth. What he spoke was truth. Okay, listen, if we need the cars, we need some cars moved. If you got your cars parked where, Doc? If your car is parked on the sidewalk, in the front right here or in the back, you're going to have to move before they bring the people up here, man. We don't want to have no problems with the people. They don't want no problems with us. You know what I mean?
All right.
That's what it is. So look, before we go on to the next. Okay, listen, we got another announcement for the family. Now, if you're getting water bottles, we got trash cans. Please don't throw it on the ground. Find somewhere else to put it. That's just in from the family. All right, we got a raffle going on too, right? Oh, not a raffle yet, but it is something in the future.
We're going to pause 1 minute. We got a raffle going on. Where's the sister?
Boy, that you always tell me.
We got the